May Rolex ka.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ilan ang Rolex mo?
Isa lang po, regalo po sa akin, Your Honor.
Isa lang. Sino nagregalo sa'yo?
May wife po, Your Honor.
Ah, yung wife mo ngayon. Okay. Kailan natin nabili to? Nung panahon na tayo nasa police attaché?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So, basically, nabawas yung... anyway. Meron ba kayong property sa Samal?
Ako po, Your Honor, may lote po ako doon.
Meron ka sa Samal?
Dati po akong chief of police doon.
Sige. Gaano kalaki yung property mo doon?
500 square meters.
500 square meter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan mo siya binili?
2014 ata, Your Honor. I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Okay. GM Garma, meron ka bang property sa Samal?
Meron po, Mr.
Meron ka
Chair.
din. Magkalapit kayo, correct?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Ilang square meter ang lupa mo sa Samal?
Parang 700, Mr. Chair.
700. Lot, Griar, may lupa ka sa Samal?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Sure ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Sige. Commissioner Leonardo, meron kang lupa sa Samal?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw naging USEC ng DNR, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And that property in Samal was a protected area. Am I correct? Protected area yun, hindi mo alam? Sa Samal?
I think there are some areas
Correct.
that are protected.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
And that's the reason why these people were able to get property there because of you being the USEC of the DNR before.
That's not true.
Of course, you
Your
will not
Mr.
deny. You will deny it. I know. I know naman yan. Anyway. Hindi. Hindi. Are you adhering to my query that this is a protected area and that's the reason why during the time of your incumbency as a USEC of the DNR, you were able to scatter those properties to your friends. Am I correct?
That's not
Yeah,
true, Mr.
I
Chair.
know. I know that he denied it. Of
And
course.
I'm not even sure if that is a protected area, Mr. Chair.
For your information, that is a protected area. Part of it is a protected area. And it was converted. That's why they were able to have a
Hello po mga ka-viral, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Latest update ulit tayo sa patuloy na pag-iimbestiga ng Kamara kaugnay sa kontrobersyal na war on drugs at AJK ng nagdaang administrasyon ay nalantad ang sekreto at relasyon ni Colonel Rowena Garma at Colonel Leonardo. Kumakalat kasi ngayon ang iskandalo ng dalawa. Una nang nadiskubre na meron ding special relationship si Garma sa dating Pangulo. Kung kaya ay sobrang nabigyan ito ng malaking pribilehiyo sa PNP at kalaunan ay naluklok sa PCSO bilang General Manager. Naungkat din kung kaninong anak ang babaeng anak ni Garma. Napag-alaman na hiniwalayan ng asawa si Colonel Rowena Garma dahil di umano sa meron itong nadiskubre sa kanya. Ayon kay Police Colonel Villela na ngayon ay may sarili na ring pamilya ay nabuking di umano nito ang kahihiyan na ginawa ni Colonel Garma. Sina Colonel Garma at Colonel Leonardo ay dawit din at itinuturing mga utak sa nangyaring pamamaslang kay Retired General Wesley Barayuga. Sila din ang tinuturo sa nangyaring pagpatumba sa 3 Chinese na itinuturing drug lord sa Davao Penal Farm and Colony noong kasagsagan ng war on drugs. Narito ang bahagi ng pagsisiwalat kina Garma at Colonel Leonardo at pagsasalita ng dating asawa ni Garma na si Colonel Villela.
Last na lang to, Colonel, kasi pag nagsinungaling ka, lalabas talaga sinungaling ka. Ito so magkano talaga? 8,000 ba galing dito? Yung salary mo?
Mahigit pa ho, Your Honor, kasi yung sahod ko pa ho as Colonel dito, Your Honor.
Hindi. Payslip mo, meron ka?
Meron naman po kami lahat.
So what is your gross? Gross? 8,000? US?
Yan po yung aming allowance as police.
Hindi nga, ang total mo ang kinikita. Ikaw, you're evading. Hindi ko pa nilalabas yung isang tao. O magkano talaga?
Yung 28,000, salary grade 28 po ng Colonel, Your Honor, plus yung aming allowance.
Magkano nga?
8,000 nga po, Your Honor.
Total.
Sahod.
So less. May withholding, di ba? Magkano withholding mo? Kami dito sa Congress, we're just 32% nga kami. Mas maliit pang sahod namin sa kinikita mo. Oh, magkano?
Hindi ko po memorize yung sa sahod ko
Nako,
po as colonel.
magkano ang pinapadala sa iyo? Na net. At sino ang nagpapadala sa iyo?
The Budget and Fiscal Office po ng...
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
O magkano? Magkano nga eh?
Sinasama po padalas doon.
Kaya nga,
Kasama po
magkano, Kernel?
14
Tinatanong kaya magkano?
14,000 po yung MOE ng office plus yung sahod po namin, Your Honor.
14?
40 po yung operating expenses.
Hindi yung sa iyo. Yung sa...
8,000 po, Your Honor.
Magkano?
8,000
8,000.
dollars po.
O less yung 32% withholding.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit? O so magkano talaga?
Yun nga po, Your Honor.
O ba't wala kang withholding?
Ang withholding po, Your Honor, po sa sahod ko as colonel, Your Honor. Yun po kasing allowance namin doon. Ito po yung aming...
Sandali. Sino yung next higher officer mo that time?
Directorate for... the Directorate for Intelligence, Your Honor.
O who is that the director?
Marami po, Your Honor.
Marami,
During pag-alis ko po,
Before you leave and on your first assignment, sino? Oh, but you're talking to Grijaldo. Alam niya ba? Mas alam niya?
hindi ko na...
Eto Colonel last na to, papakontempt kita.
Yes, Your Honor.
O, sino? Are you willing to be cited in contempt? Willingly?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor, yung DI na pag-alis ko, Your Honor.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun di mo matandaan? Yung unang principal mo, nung na-assign ka, that was August 2020, as your statement. Hindi mo alam? Or you just evading because papatawag
No,
namin siya?
No, Your Honor. Hindi ko lang talaga ma-recall,
O
Your
yung
Honor.
yung last, before you're assigned here in the Philippines. Hindi mo rin alam? That was 2023, September? Hindi mo alam?
Si General Morico po, Your Honor.
General,
Major General Morico, Your Honor.
is he active until now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong assignment niya?
Ngayon po, Your Honor.
Siyempre, tinatanong ko yung assignment niya ngayon.
Director po ng Research and Development, Your
O, papatawag natin siya. Kaya mo, Mr. Chairman, papatawag yung director for what?
Research, Your Honor.
O, research. Major General Moreno. At the same time, makalimutin pala to si si Colonel Villela. Hindi niya matandaan yung principal niya nung time ng first assignment niya as a trustee. O, do you recall? Hindi mo ma-recall?
Pandemic.
Sinong PNP chief that time?
Si General Albayalde, Your Honor.
O, General Albayalde. Nakita ko kanina. Gen Albayalde. General Albayalde. Sino yung official niya that time?
Mr. Chairman, if he's telling when he was assigned sa as liaison officer of sa San Francisco po kasi dati yan naging linipat lang sa LA. Retired na po ako noon. I retired 2019, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, ikaw, Villela, pati si General Albayalde, sabihin mo na siya.
Retired na po ako 2019,
Ikaw,
Mr.
sinungaling ka.
Hindi ko na... Kasi siya ang nakapirma po, Your Honor, sa appointment ko.
Madali. Ba't siya nakapirma? Retired na nga siya That was August of
Process kasi
2020. Sandali. Please wait to be recognized by the chairman. Oh, your assignment was August 2020. How come General Albayalde will sign your document 2019 retire na? You're lying again.
Elaborate, Mr. Chairman. Opo, yung signature kasi, it will be signed and then it will undergo process kasi kiniklear pa po sa embassy yan. Matagal po yung process niyan, Mr. Chairman. So, naiwanan ko na po yun. Nung pagkapirma po yan, it's not after you sign it, assigned na po yun. Magki-clear pa po yan, they have to give their credentials and all.
Okay. We'll take
mag-iiba-iba
in.
na
We'll
po
take
yung
in.
yes,
Sir,
Mr. Chairman.
Albayalde will take in. Now, question. Balik ko lang. Sino? Di mo rin matandaan. Nakatanggap ka ba ng order that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo tinignan kung sinong pumirma? Sinong boss mo?
Ang na-assign po kasi ako ng Iloilo. After that, na-issuean po ako ng order January dahil pandemic po noon. Hindi na po kami nakaalis kaagad, Your Honor.
Ang natanong ko nga, you stayed there for 3 years, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo alam?
Marami po kasing DI, Your Honor, that time. And
Anyway, sino yung highest official ng PNP active here? Eto, Colonel, kasi medyo nakapagtataka. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I move that we get the assignment of Colonel Villela,
naalala ko na, Your Honor, si General Agustin po, Your Honor. Major General Agustin, Your Honor.
is he active until now?
Retired na po, Your Honor.
Retired. I move to invite Mr. Agustin in the next hearing. Para magkaalaman tayo.
Mr. Chair.
Momsek, please take note of the be invited resource persons in our next hearing. Retired Major General Agustin. Congressman Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I think we have with us today General Benji Acorda, who also headed yung Directorate for Investigation. May I be allowed to ask some questions?
Yeah, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. General Acorda, you were assigned with DI, Directorate for Intelligence, di po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yung mga sweldo ng ating mga attaché, police attaché, dumadaan sa DI.
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba may diplomatic pouch yun na ipinapadala natin sa US kung saan naka-assign si Colonel Villela.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung sweldo at saka MOE nila.
Yes,
Now,
Your Honor.
General Acorda, pwedeng dagdagan yun, di po ba?
To my understanding, Your Honor, yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Hindi naman perfect yung kwan na yun eh. Sistema na yun. Dinadagdag ninyo kung may pinapadala doon sa kanila na extra. Would you agree?
Yes, Your Honor, especially if there are some special occasions or visits and additional expenses that are incurred by our police attaché, Your Honor.
Maski personal na padala, po pwede. Would that be correct?
Personal, Your Honor, may I be allowed to check with our finance officer sa DI nun, Your Honor, kasi medyo hindi po ako lumaki sa controller and budget.
Nandiyan ba sa iyo? Kasama mo ba?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I must be candid.
Pero nangyayari yun. Would you all agree, General Albayalde?
I have no knowledge on that, sir. I was never assigned in the DI at never assigned in Krame, sir.
But
Hindi
you
po
became
po.
the Chief PNP, right? Kung
Yeah.
ako nga na hindi naging Chief PNP, alam ko eh. Bakit hindi nyo alam?
Yeah. Probably personal, sir. Hindi ko po alam. But I'm not privy on that, sir. Kung meron po talagang nangyaring ganun.
Colonel Villela, meron bang pagkakataon na hindi lang yung sweldo mo ang natatanggap mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kanino galing yung hindi kasama ng Directorate for Intelligence?
Yung sahod ko po na dito, Your Honor.
Yung sahod mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And magkano po yung sahod mo noon?
A courtesy call somewhat. Yeah, it's
Or
like...
did you talk something about that war on drugs? Sabihin na natin, Davao template.
halo-halo kasi yung pinag-usapan
Hindi,
namin,
tatanungin lang
Mr.
kita.
Chair. That is-
discuss about the vote template. O, nandito si Patay. Grijaldo, nandito kayo. O, now, let me ask you once again. Is there a meeting and it was discussed about the vote template?
May I be
Yes,
allowed to
please.
ask? Kasi po, ang understanding ko kasi pag discussion, there's an in-depth na pag-uusap. Pero may napag-usapan po, but it's not in-depth. It's just passing, Mr. Chair.
What I'm saying is, ma'am, diretso lang po. Nag-usap ba kayo tungkol doon sa the vote template? Yes or no?
Napag-usapan din po. Mr.
Napag-usapan. Colonel Leonardo, napag-usapan niyo ba doon sa 96 yung the vote template? Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po mahal yung
Nako.
the vote template. Pero mga...
Anyway,
usap
yan
kami.
naman ha. Yan naman, okay. As of now, hindi ko tatanggapin yung reasoning mo, pero now, Colonel Patay, you were there. Yes or no?
No, Mr. Chair.
You were not there.
No, Mr. Chair.
In the second floor, you were not there.
No, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige. Chairman, let me put in record na tinanggi ni Colonel Patay na he was there. Colonel Grijaldo, are you present during the time? The first June 28, second floor of the DPWH building.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You were there.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, it was discussed about the vote template?
No, Mr. Chair.
No?
Yes, sir.
Oh, now, so you contradict the statement of Ms. Garma na isa sa mga pinag-usapan doon? Colonel Gardo, you're under oath.
Yes, yes,
Baka
Mr.
maaga
Chair.
ka.
I could not confirm the statement of...
So, no. None.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala. O anong ginawa niyo lang doon sa loob ng kwarto?
We were there the time, Mr. Chair.
No, tinatanong ko, anong ginawa niyo? Kasi nakakahon kayo doon eh. Di ba? Ako kinukonfirm ba na 96, kaiba isang room, 97 sa kabilang room?
No, Mr. Chair.
Ha?
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Again, Mr. Chairman, let it record that Colonel Grijaldo denied that there is a meeting that will place the 96 and 97 in separate room. Now, Colonel Grijaldo, during that gathering, the President, former Chief Bato de la Rosa, former now Senator and Senator Bongo is present. Dumaan po sa inyo, hindi?
I could not remember.
Oh, you cannot remember. Okay.
Mr.
Okay, you cannot remember. O, Colonel Patay, since you mentioned that you were not there, so wala. Wala kang alam.
Wala akong alam, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Colonel Leonardo, in that gathering is the President, former President, Colonel Bato, PNP Chief, Senator Bato de la Rosa, and Senator Bongo, pumunta po doon sa room nyo. Yes, sir.
Ang naalala ko, nag-courtesy call po kami.
Hindi, tanong ko kung pumunta sa room nyo. Pumunta ba hindi?
Sa room na, kasi sir, naka-separate room po.
Kaya nga, yung tinatanong ko sa room ng 96.
Ang alam ko
Kasi
po, sir,
nandun
lumabas po kami sa corridor. Then we met
the whole 96.
Senator Bongo during that time.
The whole 96.
Not the whole 96, there are some class 96, Mr. Chair.
Hindi nga, yung nandun na 96. Alam ko naman hindi lahat eh.
Yes po.
Oh, yes.
Nag-meet po kami doon sa corridor po.
O, pero nandun kayo sa isang room.
Lumabas po kami doon sa room na parang waiting area.
O,
Waiting-
cubicle. Cubicle, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Parang
yes.
isang room siya. Na,
Okay.
Then
So,
lumabas
nandun
po
si Senator Bongo, Senator De La Rosa, and the President. Tama?
Hindi ko po ma-recall kung nandun si
Eh,
Senator Bongo.
may in-introduce ka
Bongo
pa
de la
nga
Rosa.
isa eh. May in-introduce ka pa nga isa eh. Na, Mr. President, this is blah, blah, blah. You don't recall?
Actually, marami po akong
Nako.
pinakilala ko po yung mga classmates ko.
Tapos, sino pa?
Meron din po kaming hindi classmates.
Sino nga?
Uh,
O you cannot recall?
Marami po,
Okay,
sir.
Mr. Chairman, dyan na muna. Hindi ko na muna ipitin si Colonel Leonardo to that question. Now, Colonel Galma, do you confirm that indeed during that meeting nandun pumunta si General Bato, si Senator Bongo, and the President?
No, Mr. Chair, wala akong naalalang pumunta si General Bato at saka si Senator Bongo dun sa aming...
Sa room nyo?
Yes, wala pong pangyayaring ganun po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, anyway. Mukhang totoo yung sinasabi mo. No? But sa 96, nandun. But anyway, hindi pa naman tayo tapos dyan, Colonel Leonardo. But in the next hearing, Mr. Chairman, we will invite all those named listed during that allegedly in your account courtesy call. Kasi po, nakuha na po natin ng committee to lahat ng mga assignments. Yung mga nandun, di ba, pinakuha ko ng nakaraan since 2016 onward. O, kaya nga nandito si Patay, nandito si Colonel Grijaldo. Ang next siguro, let us see sa next hearing. No? Anyway, Mr. Chairman, for now, dyan na muna ako. At least si Colonel Garma has already stated all those accounts with regards to the Picol killings and the meeting or sabi nga nila, courtesy call that happens 3 days before. And after 3 days, on more than a month, from July, then August 11, 12, 13, and it was on record that in the 3 jailed or correctional, doon po sa Picol, doon sa Leyte, and doon sa Parañaque, nangyari lahat yung mga pagpapatay. And that includes yung grenade throwing doon sa Parañaque. In that 3 faithful day, magkasunod po. And marami na po nangyari. Well, in fact, dito ngayon, hawak din namin yung records of all the killings that happens doon po sa Bureau of Jail and Management and Penology naman with regards to in relation to the drug killings. So by now, Mr. Chairman, all for now.
Mr. Chair,
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. Yes, Congressman Ako,
may I just ask some questions for clarification?
please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Madam Garma, you confirmed that in June 28 of 2016, nag-meeting kayo ng mga kaklase mo in Davao City sa DPWH office, second floor. You confirm that?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we met there, sir.
Yes. And would you confirm na ikaw ang tumawag po ng meeting na yun doon ng mga klase mo?
I cannot recall, Mr. Chair, kasi may ibang classmate ako na napadaan din doon. And then, gusto nila magpa-picture. So, sabi ko, pwede naman siguro, Mr.
Magpa-picture.
Chair.
Kanino?
Sa presidente po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. But you confirm, in the line of interpellation of the Honorable Paduano, na nagkaroon kayo ng meeting doon po sa Davao on June 28. Tama po?
We met, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Inamin mo nga nung last na hearing eh.
Yes po.
The minutes of the last hearing would bear that out. Commissioner Leonardo, in that hearing, inamin mo rin na nakita kayo. Hindi mo inamin na namin kayong mga classmate in the last hearing. Ang inamin mo po ay nakita-kita po kayo doon sa Davao. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And kung nakita-kita kayo, bakit po kayo nandun sa isang kwarto doon sa DPWH building? Separate ang members ng Class 96 of PNPA at separate yung Class 97 ng PNPA.
Mr. Chair, doon po kami nilagay while waiting po kasi mag-courtesy call po kami, magpapapicture po kay PRRD, Mr. Chair.
And according to your answers to the Honorable Paduano, wala pa kayong diniscuss na Davao template. Would that be correct?
Wala po kaming marami
Yes
po kaming
or no?
diniscuss.
Yes or no? Ang
Wala-
tanong ko po answer
Wala
ko
po
ba
akong
yes
ma-recall
or no?
na diniscuss namin na
Sabihin mo
Davao
lang kung
template.
hindi nyo diniscuss o hindi.
Hindi po, Mr.
Dahil ang
Chair.
paniningil sa banda-banda roon.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Now, Colonel Patay, what class are you sa PNPA?
97, Mr. Chair.
97. Yung kaklase mo si Madam Garma, tama admitted na nag-meeting ang mga class 9 doon on June 28, 2016. Narinig mo naman siguro.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And do you deny that you were not there?
Wala po ako doon. Mr.
Wala.
Chair.
Now, Madam Garma, is that true?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala si Colonel Patay doon.
Pagkakaalala ko, wala po siya, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Thank you. Now, Colonel Grijaldo, what class are you sa PNPA?
Yes, sir. I'm class 97, sir.
And you also deny that you were there sa meeting o sa meeting na inamin ni Colonel Garma?
Mr. Chair, I was there in the place.
You were there.
Yes, sir.
And you deny na nag-discuss ninyo yung Davao template.
Yes, sir.
So you are trying to tell the committee na either of you, ikaw at saka si Madam Garma, ang nagsisinungaling. Kasi hindi pwedeng nagsisinungaling pa yung parehas, di ba?
I could not confirm that, Mr.
Hindi
Chair.
nga. Ikaw naman, iho. Matalino ka naman siguro. Hindi ka aabot sa rangko na yan kung hindi ka matalino, iho. Simpleng-simple lang yung tanong ko. Ang sabi ni Madam Garma, nag-meet kayo, diniscuss nyo yung template. Ikaw, inamin mo na nandun ka, nakipag-meeting ka, pero ang dinideny mo, diniscuss nyo yung Davao template. Tama?
Mr. Chair, I could not confirm the
Hindi ko naman pinakukulong sa iyo eh. Ang tinatanong ko, sagutin mo. Otherwise, I will cite you in contempt also. Sagutin mo. Tama ba ako o mali?
Mr. Chair, kindly say again the question.
Pinapagod mo pa ako eh. Ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, ang sabi ni Madam Garma, nag-meet kayo noong June 28, 2016 sa Davao. Yung class po ninyo. Diba? In-admit niya yon. At in-admit din niya na ang isa sa pinag-usapan ninyo ay yung Davao template. Tama. Ikaw, in-admit mo na nandun ka noong June 28 sa meeting na yon. Ang hindi mo ina-admit ay diniscuss ninyo yung Davao template. Tama ba ako?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So,